Okay, so now I want to move on to the necessary language exams for medical students. I'll tell you that currently I just started B2, and I'm just going to say this in general. For the language skills depends on the state in Germany that you want to work in. But majority of the states require a B2 exam certificate. So what that means, you either have to sit an exam with the TELC or the Goethe Institute, and when you pass the TELC or the Goethe Institute for B2, for your B2 exam, and when you pass that, then that makes you, that's one of the criteria you need to work as a doctor in Germany, B2 for most states. I hear that there are some states that, so with Germany, Germany, working as a doctor is dependent on the state. Each state has its own rules. So I hear people saying there are some states that accept B1, but I'm not sure. I know B2 is what's accepted, and I know there are maybe there are states that take only C1, but I only know your B2 language. You need B2 language to work, and then you need later on to do your Fachsprachprüfung, which is basically your C1 medical language exam. But for the B2 language, just mastering general German and understanding people or understanding patients, you need B2.